Okay, this is going to go over the displacement quiz. And the first question is describe the difference in displacement. It's the difference between your initial and final position. So that means displacement equals your final minus your initial position, or change in distance. On the other side, displacement is just your total path traveled. So you add up d1, all your motion, doesn't matter which way it goes. So we draw it like this. Here's your displacement, distance, maybe 2 and 2, so your distance would be 4. And this would be your displacement. And this would be like Pythagorean theorem. Here's another example. You toss the ball straight up in the air, goes up, climbs 2 meters, and then comes back down. The displacement of the ball is 0. Now in a separate quiz I asked you what the distance was. The distance is 4 meters, so you need to pay attention to what it's asking for. Okay, so now we have, what kind of motion do we have? We have going to the right, 3 more meters to the right, 9 meters left. Is that it? So this is only left and right motion only. So it's either good to make a list, we'll call left negative, and right positive. So on our list we have, let's list our motion. 7 to the right, plus 7. 3 more meters to the right, plus 3. 9 meters to the left, negative 9. Now when we find your distance, you just add them up. When we add our displacement, we need to find out what the difference is between these two. Positive 10 and negative 9. Displacement equals positive 1, and that means 1 meter. Right. That's what the positive means. That's why you can pick whatever you want to call these. Displacement, on the other hand, just equals 19 meters. Make sure you have your units. You should be doing this. You should be underlining and making sure you have these matched up, because people were calling this negative 3 because they were not really paying attention to what was going on. Solve for displacement of the following walk around some city blocks. Let's look what we have here. We have north. We have, I'll do it a different color, east, east, and then 3 blocks south. So we have a north and a south. Call this positive and negative. And we have an east and a west. Positive, negative. So this is 2-dimensional. So the north will give a plus 4. 3 blocks south will give a negative 3. And my total change in direction in the up and down motion, we'll call this in the y, is positive 1. On the other color, 2 blocks east, I'll call that a plus 2, no westerly motion. So our change in the x direction is a plus 2. So what we have here is in the y, in the up and down, change in y equals 1. And in the easterly direction, change in x equals 2. By the way, this is x and y from the coordinate plane. Y is the up and down, x is side to side. And that gives us displacement. We solve this with the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Or 1 squared plus 2 squared equals c squared. 1 plus 4 equals c squared. 5 equals c squared. And my last step is to just find out what c equals. I need to undo this squared, so you do the opposite function, square root. C equals, I don't know what that is, let's find out. 5 square rooted, 2.236. 2.23 units are blocks.